G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Thunderstorms have been breaking out randomly across Queensland, some of them severe, but the action is shifting into the tropics now as cooler, drier air starts pushing in from the south. Finally, some rain. Tamala, 42 millimetres overnight. Rolling Stone had 31. Castle Hill had 19 millimetres. That should make it nice and green. And Townsville Airport got 11. Uncomfortably hot again today, but inland temperatures are starting to relax. As you can see, nobody made it even close to 40 degrees, which is a relief. What's happening on the satellite loop today? We started off with some morning storms through Townsville where it doesn't usually rain, so that came as a pleasant surprise. And also this afternoon, some coming through Charterhouse. Atherton Tablelands has been getting some good storms, not quite reaching the tropical coast. One or two just over Fraser Island, a little bit south of the fire action, unfortunately. And later this afternoon, a severe thunderstorm warning issued even for the Capricornia and southern parts of the central coast. Today's chart, the inland trough, which yesterday spawned the storms in the southeast, has now shifted north. You can see the front going around about through Fraser Island. North of this area, the air mass is still hot and humid, and that's where the storms are forming. You can see the southerly change coming in behind it. On tomorrow's chart, I should say, that change comes through southeast Queensland, dropping the temperatures nicely. It'll become nice and comfortable, but still hot in the tropics. And on the outlook chart, the southeasterly winds push right up through to Cairns, and by this stage we'll get most of the rain in the north and generally cooler throughout. To the latest now from the BOM, boating forecast for Townsville waters, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots tomorrow, going east to northeast on Thursday and Friday, up to 20 knots with the local sea breeze. Tomorrow's tides. First up, we've got low water in the late morning, followed by a gentle rise to the evening high tide, which isn't that high thanks to the recent half moon. The Herbert and Albertican, showers and, would you believe, possible thunderstorms tomorrow, and not just inland. 26 to 32 for Townsville, Ayr also 32, Ingham 35. Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders, hot and stormy with Charters Towers reaching 34 degrees and humid, 35 for Georgetown. Looking ahead for Townsville, temperatures settling back to average as cloud increases and showers start rolling in. The week ahead looks promising for a little bit of rain on most days. Tonight's photo was brought to us by Brian Beswick. Brian says the cloud reminds him of a big spaceship, but to me it looks more like the pectoral fin of a giant stingray floating above the ocean. The technical name is Alto Stratus Cloud. Taken from Mooloolaba looking south. Thanks Brian, and a nice evening to you all. Now it's back to the team.
Thanks Livio. That's all from us for tonight. Thanks for your company.
And a reminder, you can catch our news anytime on 7+. We've got the National Bulletin coming up now. See you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.
On 7 News tonight.